Hello, my name is Linda, also known as Tortagialla around the internet, and I love creative journaling and all things stationery. So today I'm going to share this Traveler's Traveler's Notebook for the 10th anniversary. It's one of the limited edition mini-sized Traveler's Notebooks that they created and sold, I believe, back in 2016 because this was for the 10th anniversary, so 10 years from 2006 or 2006/2007. But basically, these are sold out everywhere, but I happened to come across a shop online in Poland. Escribo is one of the shops that became a partner shop for Traveler's Company, and that's how I got wind of it, and I realized that they had some in stock, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta get it, because they obviously don't make these anymore. They're limited edition, and it just, if you happen to find it in some shop, then you might be able to get it. So they had this Traveler's Notebook Mini 10th Anniversary can set, and it's the brown color. There's actually 3 of them, so they have it in like brown, black, and camel. So I got this brown one, and you can see that it is a sturdy tin, which is very cute, and you can definitely use it for your supplies, and you get a mini-sized Traveler's Notebook, and it is literally an exact replica, like exactly if you bought a regular Traveler's Notebook. It also comes with a little charm that says TRC, and these are papers that I believe that you need to use to make your mini inserts, which is, it sounds like fun, but at the same time it's like, it's so tiny. I feel like a giant. It also comes with these special 10th anniversary stickers. So these larger stickers would be great to decorate regular inserts, but these little tiny ones are specifically made to be used with like the tiny insert that's going to go in your mini Traveler's Notebook. So super cute. And finally, it comes with this 10th anniversary guide. It basically has like a history of Traveler's Company. And if you might have seen this before if you're like an OG and bought like the original Midori Traveler's Notebook, because it used to be called Midori and then it like got popular that they actually branched off and Traveler's Company became like its own like division, making these Traveler's Notebooks, and then the branding on the back of the Traveler's Notebook changed to Traveler's Notebook instead of Midori, because Midori is like its own sort of like a parent company. Maybe it's like another brand, because technically the parent company I think is Design Fill, right? And then they own like a bunch of, they do MD paper, like Midori stuff. There's so many like different, things. Anyways, I do not know like all the details, but if you open this up, you'll see that they have directions on how to make the mini notebook. See how cute that is? So you get the craft paper, you get like grid, blank, like all the different papers, and then you can just make yourself a bunch of little inserts, and they show here like how you might use this mini Traveler's Notebook and how to put the charm in. You can obviously use it as an actual Traveler's Notebook like journal, or make it like more decorative as a charm. And here's the big insert that basically has history and information about all the products that they've created, I think. And obviously this is dating back from like 2016, 2017, so it doesn't have like the latest stuff, but definitely all the things that they have released since the beginning. Look at all of those ballpoint pens or fountain pens, like all the designs. It's too bad that it's difficult to get access to all of these things if you're not in Japan, because obviously since this is a Japanese brand, most things are accessible there, and they have a lot of like collabs with other companies and things that you could buy. Obviously now there is the Traveler's Company USA. They have an online shop now, so in the US you're able to like access all that stuff. So you can see here it all started with a notebook competition that was held in the Midori booth in 2005. Then in 2006 the Traveler's Notebook was launched, and then it goes through the history year by year, all the products and things that they have added and expanded. And you can see here there's 3 colored tints. See the black, brown, and camel. So I only have the brown. If I ever come upon the other ones, I will definitely buy it just because I want to collect it. And I love the tins. They're like such cute designs to store like your stationery items and keep them, on your shelf and on your desk. So I think it's just like cute all around. But I don't want to collect them in terms of like not using them. I definitely want to use the things. I think that I've definitely gone through a long period of like you buy a lot of things because you're like, that's so cool, that's so cute, but then you hoard it because you don't want to use it and like you only have one copy or whatever. And in the end, it's like, wait, is this really bringing me the joy? Because honestly, I'm not a collector, you know what I mean? In the sense of people who just buy things and it's like mint condition and they don't even open it. No, I want to use it. So you can see me here. I'm like opening up this tiny, tiny, tiny traveler's notebook. And really, it's an exact replica in the sense that it's made exactly the same as a regular standard size traveler's notebook. It's just mini, super, super mini. And the back is also stamped a little bit differently because obviously there's limited space. It just says 10th Traveler's Notebook, I think. And this is the brown version, so it's the brown, leather, which I don't have a brown Traveler's Notebook, like neither standard size or password. I'm not like a big fan of the brown because I think I just don't like the really dark stuff. I have lots of camels because that is my favorite, color. But again, it's not that I dislike the brown, it's just not something that I like, immediately gravitate towards. But this mini one is just cute, and because it's limited edition and all that kind of stuff, I just wanted to get it. But you can see here the difference of the mini brown, and this is the Traveler's Diner special edition one that is camel. And oh my god, the standard size looks so huge compared to the mini one. It's like such a difference. And you can see here I have a Traveler's Train, which is the only like dark, I guess, Traveler's Notebook that I have because it's black. But the black leather is very different. Like it's slick, and maybe because it has the embossing. I don't know. Leather obviously is very unique. It is the skin of an animal, and even if they try to make like similar colors and things, it's gonna vary. You know what I mean? Like per batch, how it's processed. If you actually go into and research like leathers and things, you'll know that there obviously is a variation in texture and things like that, even if they try to make it, as similar as possible. So you can see here the thicknesses, it varies a little, which I didn't really realize that much. The Traveler's Diner seems like really hefty, and then the black leather seems to be like slightly thinner, and then of course the mini one like slightly thinner because it is smaller in general. But in terms of the feel, the camel is definitely like fuzzy, and then the black is definitely more smooth, and so the brown maybe is like somewhere in between, and it does scratch up, as you can see. And again, I'm not like too crazy. I don't want to like mess up my, covers immediately on purpose. Like I don't roll them or anything like that. Maybe, you can if you want. It's like not a big deal. I don't do it on purpose, but I don't mind if they get bashed around as well. It's just part of the usage, So you can see the packaging is like exactly the same. You have extra elastic to use for the little mini canvas thing. It's so tiny. It's like I have like pretty small hands, but like just handling this tiny, tiny thing, it's like so tiny. Am I going to be able to do it? Because I'm going to have to make, the inserts myself. And I do have, this is like this super cute charm TRC. And obviously the bookmark strings that they have in the mini are like longer, obviously to allow you to like tie properly the charm if you wanted to add it. Of course, you can also take out the elastic and put the charm there, however you want to, fit it. I don't know if it would fit there or you need like another little jewelry component, but it's super cute. But I'm definitely going to use this. I want to journal in it. I want to make the inserts and do like tiny mini journal pages. So if you have any ideas, like is there a theme? Maybe I can pick like some kind of Japanese related theme, or like positive, good feeling kind of things, because I think it would be really cute to have this tiny mini journal. And it's definitely a challenge because it's so small, so you're limited in space, and so you have to be pretty clear about like what you want to add on like a journal page, because you only have that tiny, spot to put in. But I would love to create something in this mini journal and then be able to flip through it and, bring your spirits up or something like that. So you can see here are some shots of this super tiny mini traveler's notebook. Let me know if you have one as well. Do you collect it? Did you open it and use it? I would definitely appreciate your ideas, so let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching my video. You can comment below and hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more stationery, creative journaling, design work kind of thing. If you enjoy using digital printables, make sure to check out my Ko-fi feed where you can support my design work with tips, or join the membership so that you get access to monthly digital paper packs. And you can also try out all of my digital printables that have been posted on my blog, tortagialla.com. It's totally free on my blog. I've been posting there for years and years, so you'll find a really big archive of freebies to download and print and play with in your journaling and planner decor. So thank you again so much for watching the video, and I wish you a very lovely day. Until next time. Bye!